two particles A and B, A and B, they are initially at rest. So 0 and 0 initially is the velocity. Move towards each other under mutual force of attraction. Okay. At an instance when the speed of A is v and that the speed v is 3v, the speed of the center of mass is. So they are moving towards each other with velocity v, and this is velocity 3v. Okay, so like by conservation of momentum, so this, let this mass be ma and let this mass be mb. Okay. Since the force of attraction is mutual, we'll solve it using two ways. First way, when the force of attraction is mutual, so this is F and this also have to be F only, because like action and reaction pair. Okay, so even gravitational force also, when you know there is attraction, so it's g m1 m2 by r square, which is the force of gravity. This acts on both of them. So now if we see the entire system, so therefore net force on system is equal to plus F minus F, which is actually 0. So since net force on system is 0 and velocity, initial velocity on system was 0, now due to the net force on system being 0, the acceleration is also 0. So therefore the final velocity of the system will be u plus at, both are zeros, so therefore final velocity is also going to be 0 only. So therefore D is going to be the answer. The second way is a little longer way, but it will work. It is having velocity v, it is having velocity 3v. Now initially both were at rest, so this is ma mb. So of course mav, which is positive, minus mb into 3v, this should be equal to 0, because initial momentum was 0, so therefore final momentum is also going to be 0. v and v are gone, so therefore we can have very clearly ma is equal to 3mb. So this is 3m and this is m. Now velocity of center of mass is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2 divided by, I'm writing it, m1 v1 plus m2 v2 divided by m1 plus m2, which is equal to 3m into v minus m into 3v divided by m1 plus m2, which is 4m. Now this itself becomes 0, so therefore the velocity of the center mass, again it comes out to be 0. So either we can do this way, the net force in the system divided by the net mass on the system, that's acceleration, initial velocity of the system is 0. Okay, or here also. Thank you.